Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up eFax. First, choose a reliable eFax provider that fits your specific needs. Next, select a suitable plan and a dedicated fax number. Finally, complete the registration process by providing your necessary personal and payment details. This simple setup ensures you can start sending and receiving faxes quickly and efficiently, streamlining your communication. Sending a fax with eFax is straightforward. Begin by composing your message directly or attaching the document you wish to send. Then, simply enter the recipient's fax number and add a subject line for clarity. With just one click, your electronic fax will be transmitted securely, saving you time and the hassle of traditional fax machines. Receiving faxes is just as easy. All incoming faxes are delivered directly to your designated email inbox as an attachment, usually a PDF file. You can then open and view the fax content on any device. This method allows for effortless management and organization of your received documents, keeping everything digital and accessible whenever you need it. eFax offers many advanced features to enhance your experience. You can utilize mobile applications for convenient faxing from anywhere, ensuring productivity on the go. Consider integrating eFax with your existing business applications for a seamless workflow. Also, explore options for adding digital signatures and robust archiving solutions to further secure and manage your important documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.